Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how camera Pro Mode looks on the Nokia 9 PureView. So to open the Pro Mode you have to pick this mode next to the photo mode on the left side, and as you can see that's the Pro Mode. So we can find some parameters on the right side, and at the bottom we can find the exposure compensation. As you can see, we can adjust this parameter by moving our finger like that on the left or the right, and we can set it up between -2 and +2. And the next option that we can find right here is the shutter speed. And as you can see, we can set shutter speed to the 10 seconds, but also we can set it for the automatic value. And the same for the ISO level. And the last option is the white balance. When we focus on the upper bar in the right upper corner, you can enable the flashlight. The next we can find shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. Right here we can turn on the deep sensor. It will take a little bit longer to take photo, and when you tap right here you will turn to the Google Lens. And basically that's all for the Pro Mode on the Nokia 9 PureView. You can also just click on the screen to catch focus. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.